In this video, we analyze how strike selection dictates your risk, reward, and probability of profit. Selecting a strike price for a covered call isn't guesswork. It is engineering a specific payoff profile based on your market outlook. You must balance three competing objectives: maximum upfront income, downside protection, or room for capital appreciation. You generally cannot maximize all three simultaneously. Out of the money, or OTM strikes, are the standard choice for a growth plus income strategy. Because the strike is higher than the current stock price, you collect less premium, but you retain the upside potential if the stock rallies. This is ideal when you remain moderately bullish on the underlying asset. At the money, or ATM strikes, offer the highest possible extrinsic value, meaning you receive the maximum upfront cash. The trade-off is that you have zero room for stock growth. If the stock moves up even slightly, your shares will likely be called away. This is a pure income play suitable for neutral markets. In the money, or IDM strikes, are defensive positions used when you are cautious or slightly bearish. By selling a strike below the current price, you sacrifice share value but gain a massive premium buffer. This significantly lowers your break-even point, offering protection against a market correction. To remove emotion from this process, recall our Phase 3 lessons and use delta as a probability proxy. A 30 delta OTM call suggests a roughly 70% chance you keep your shares, while a 70 delta IDM call implies you expect to be assigned. Match the delta to your conviction level. Thanks for watching, and join us next time for trade management techniques.